I bet you never thought you could own a house in the Caribbean right across the street from a beautiful beach with $1 million view. Maybe you're wrong. Let me show you why. Here's the house, here's the view, and there's the beach with a resort right next door. So if you want to go for a quick cocktail, maybe some lunch on the sand, that's your spot. Now let's take a look at the house. Come in through these beautiful hand-carved wood front doors, immediately into the living room, dining room. Kitchen is off on the back side with a big pass-through island. Got some built-ins here at the end. Vaulted ceilings with the skylight above. Travertine tile, double sliding doors that go out to a small deck and a walkway which wraps around the east side of the house as well as the west side of the house. Off to this side on the east is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. You get your primary bedroom and a guest bedroom, and then downstairs under this part of the house is a efficiency apartment. First, let's take a look at the kitchen and then we'll head into the guest bedrooms. Okay, we're coming into the kitchen from the living room access. There's also an access around that end over by the side door. But on either side, we've got your cabinets, countertops, huge island pass-through that looks out to the view. Now this whole piece, if you don't like this layout, can be removed. This is just sheetrock. So this is easily taken out and then you can reconfigure this whole kitchen area. It's tired, it's an old kitchen. Original cabinetry looks like, it's just, plywood cabinets, nothing fancy, but functional, usable. So, you could plan a new kitchen layout, a new kitchen look, and that's just something you could do over time, but it's certainly functional and livable. And then here's the side door, which goes out to the parking area, which is really convenient for, if you have your groceries and whatnot, you can park right here and come straight into the kitchen. So nothing fancy, but it works, and just have to plan an upgrade at some point. Okay, we're going to work our way back around past the front door and then into the 2 bedrooms. First one's on the right. This currently has a queen size mattress in it. Split system AC. Awesome view, just as the living room has. Big slider. Not a huge room, but comfortable. And your closet there. Go back out to the hall. Right across the way is the full bath. So this would be the guest bath, which would double as your guests that are visiting the house or party or whatever would use this as well. And you got the old 70s tub and tile. I mean, it needs reno. There's no question about it. But like I said, it is functional and workable. And then we come into the primary bedroom. That's a king size bed there. Got a big loft up top, so you could either enclose that and make that storage, or maybe your grandkids' loft or whatever. You can even do a little office because you do have head space up there with that skylight. Now they've closed off that skylight with panels just to give, to keep the light out of here for sleeping purposes, but you could undo that if you wanted. Cistern dipstick hole there, and then again, sliders looking out to that view. Split AC. And then closets along this whole wall here. Then here's the bathroom. This one has just a shower, which is in pretty good shape actually. The tile's in good shape in that one. And then a single vanity. Room for a double if you wanted to put a double vanity in there, but so that's that. All right, now we're going to head back out to the driveway and down and around to the efficiency apartment. Okay, I just came out the front door. Here's the direct kitchen access door. Additional parking here. And then down the steps to the efficiency apartment. We come in, we got the 6-inch ceramic white tile, and here's your apartment. King size bed actually in here. Not a big space, but it is a full suite with a small kitchenette, electric cooktop, micro, vented hood vent there, and then into the bathroom. This is a newer vanity in here. And then you've got a tiled shower here. Actually has a light for the shower. Boink. Good spot for a guest that you want kind of out of your hair a little bit, or even a rental or a caretaker, up to you. And then out sliding doors again to a deck that really needs some work. A lot of these boards are in bad condition. Most of this needs to be replaced, so I envision this whole part being redone. But it's a really cool vibe down here with a sea grape tree up on top of the pergola. Gives you lots of shade. And then again, the apartment's got the same awesome view. Beach right across the street. Divi Carina Bay Hotel and Casino Resort right down there. Downwind, and so you're never going to hear any of it, but it's there if you ever want to use it. And then you step up to a deck here, another step up here, and then come back around to the house itself there. Got a look at the castle right there. Great house. Needs some work, no doubt about it. Needs a lot of work. But at this price point, getting a house this close to the beach with an amazing view like this and an awesome breeze, it's very hard to find something like this. These come along very rarely. So if you want to check it out, give us a call. Love to show it to you. 38 South Slob, everybody. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.